They're kind of maybe come. Whew. Because farming is all about the weather. And it's cold. Like the thermometer says 37, but this wind and it's damp. It's because I lose mine all the time.
Having troubles there? If you were a kid, you'd already had it open.
I probably would have. It's a good thing I didn't have paper. Oh, nice. Way back there, aren't they? We're gonna have to go see about them. So our cows are right now in that paddock, and they've kind of taken to higher ground with where they could go. But our creek is out. I haven't seen it like that. Not since we've put cows over here. All right, we gonna go walking? Yeah, I see it. Is that Slayer? And he may be up there. I bet it's Slayer. We've had, what, how many inches of rain? Probably 4 by now? 5 in the last 24 hours or so? We'd have to go to the... These guys all look good, though. Window. Ryder, I need to roll the window up, bud. The water is just rolling.
Take you away.
Yeah, it would. I was a little paranoid about walking across the bridge. How much rain do you think we've gotten? I don't know, we had 3 inches yesterday. So probably another inch and a half. Oh, I can't do that. Just freak myself out there. Get on dry ground here. So it is just now starting to kind of come out in some of our bottom pastures a little bit. It's a great day to be a cattle farmer, right? Actually, you know, we joke, all considering, but hay farming is probably one of the less stressful farmers to be right now, because there's no pressure for us to be in the field or be preparing for ground. Not like some of the other farmers who need to be starting to work their ground and praying for rain to stop. You know? We're one of the lucky ones. The grass is really greened up though. I must have fertilized it. Huh? It's got plenty of water. kind of maybe come. Woo! Are you gonna move that? Okay. Go get him, Ryder. Go. Get him. Get him. Get him. Get him up. Bring him to Mom. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Hi, girls. Come on, girls. Come on, girls. What do you think, buddy? Look at all the water. Oh, man. Come on, girls. Come on, girls.
River flow right there.
Yeah.
There's anything
You can't do anything about it. Alright, come on, Ryder. We'll circle around. Come on, buddy. It's just rolling, flooding. It's like Meredith's sand bottom, only minus the sand. Meredith, take your water back. Please, friend. Oh, we need the rain though, so I'm trying not to complain too much. We were very dry, like drought dry. Come on, buddy. Get him, get him, get him, get him. Come on, 14. Get him. Come on, ladies. Get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him. Go ahead, go ahead. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Hey. Come on, 14. Hey, hey, hey. Whew. Oh, man. They moved a lot easier through there than I was anticipating.
It'll be all wet. I guarantee it's a foot. And it's deeper right there. It's that camp.
Yep. He's already wet. Whew.
It'll be wetter.
He'll be wetter. Well, at least we didn't lose any calves out of the ordeal. Come on, buddy. Because farming is all about the weather. And it's cold. Like, the thermometer says 37, but this wind and it's damp. It's cold. Bring on the respiratory issues. But hey, the grass is greener. Did you wear your mucks that didn't have holes in them today? You got your muck masters on? What? Hold it still. It is like lightning. Well, hey, you know the fence is working. And it's popping. Okay. Patch was on the wrong side of the fence earlier. Walking. Getting our morning cardio. Hey, at least the wind is pushing us up the hill now. Yeah. I know, fertilizer. Yeah. I'm glad you got the heroin done. Okay.
What are you working on?
I'm trying to do some cattle records. What are you doing? What do you got?
Performance beef.
Performance what?
Livestock Analytics.
Oh, hey, that's what I'm working on.
Analytics.
Analytics.
Here you go.
We love mail. I need a knife.
Oh yeah, Milwaukee. Here you go.
It's because I lose mine all the time.
Having troubles there? If you were a kid, you'd already had it
I
open.
probably would have. It's a good thing I didn't have paper. Those are nice.
Let's go.
Look at
I
those.
want this one.
There's 4 of them.
Oh, I want a bowl.
Hold on.
Maybe.
You want They're the same patch design.
Oh. This one. This is gonna be my new good time. Wait.
Performance Livestock Analytics. Wieczorek, welcome to the Performance Beef family. We're excited to partner with you. We are here to help you succeed. And so one of the things we've been working on is joining up with Performance Beef through Purina and our local feed dealer, Feeders Grain here, to have better cow records. And so I'm really excited to share what we talked about on our conference call with Performance Beef and kind of give you guys an overview. I've been slowly getting it added into Jason's iPad so that we can take it with us when we check cows and kind of go through that. Once I learn the system a little bit better, I will kind of take you guys on a detailed Jalen, your apple.
Hey.
Just say hi. The kids want to say hi.
Hey.
Okay, stop. You guys are distracting me. But they sent us Performance Beef shirts. Those are pretty nice. There's one for all of you.
Yours?
Yep.
I got my hat ready.
You got your hat ready?
Can I have this as my work hat? Or not?
That's mine. For yours, Jason.
Where's mine?
Just a minute.
That one mine?
Yay. This one's yours. It says, I love beef. Do you all love beef?
Mm-hmm.
Do you all love beef as much as you love chicken?
I love beef more.
Do you? Thank you, Performance Beef, for helping sponsor this YouTube video.
Thank you.
It's literally rained all day. All day. Everything is flooded. I'm not even real sure what the rain count is up to now, but it's got to be at least 4 inches. We're gonna go check some cows. and give some hay and call it a night. Thanks for tagging along. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing and hitting the notification bell. And we'll go see if we have any babies and yeah, call it a night. Yeah, that pond wasn't there yesterday.
Alright, here you got this performance beef thing.
What?
Performance beef.
You're supposed to say, what are you working on?
What are you working on?
You can't do it.
Oh, is this a blooper or what?
Yeah.